guys, we're having a prank video today, and our video is based on Cough Odo with the trending song now. So now, you where they say you sabi sing so you don't know and pass. When una they see, you go know say Cough Odo will not be something where they serve. Please don't forget to like my video, share, and comment. Thank you. God bless you. What's your name?
My name is Akin Tosin.
Tosin. Okay, can you save Cough Odo?
Yes.
Okay. Play.
Go.
I want to call you my lover, to the place you love me. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. I want to flex. I want to carry my lover, baby, to the place you love me. Oh do, oh do, oh do, yeah, oh do.
When I went to meet the boy was like,
Why are you running?
that I want to harm me,
Samuel.
but Samuel. Okay, can you sing Cough Odo?
Yes.
Okay, try the best.
Continue. Alright, go.
I want to carry my love, let's let you love. I'm a woman. I want to flex. My love, let's let you love. I can't tell you my name because I don't know you.
That's not me. I want to ask you one question.
Okay.
Continue.
Can you sing Cough Odo? The trendy song Cough.
No.
Why?
Because I don't listen to music, only Chinese music.
Not the Chinese music.
Okay, any music that
They'll
is...
play the song for you now. You gonna continue.
I don't know the song, so you cannot force me to sing a song I don't know.
Okay. Can you sing Cough Odo?
Yes.
Okay. They'll play the video for you now, and you sing the remaining one. Oh yeah, play.
Go. To flex my love, I want to impress.
I want to carry my love away. See, please, he wants. Oh my, oh my, oh my. I want to flex. I want to carry my love away. See, please, yeah. I do.